Page 14, Magic Flute. There's a box at the top that talks about this piece and the opera it's in and the person who wrote it. That's nice. You can go look up Mozart. He's a very famous composer. I want to talk about this piece. I have mixed feelings about this piece. I mean, as far as the music goes, it's a wonderful piece. It's just this arrangement, in my opinion, is rather difficult. Now, maybe it's not difficult for you. Good. More power to you. But if you play it at the speed they're intending, the allegretto thing, we'll get, go look up allegretto right quick, because I'm about to tell you what it means. It means somewhere between moderato and allegro. It means sort of fast. I call it fun speed. If I'm going to play a fun piece, I will play it this speed. I don't know how fast that is. It depends. It's just whatever. So it's like... about like that, I guess. The problem is the hands are moving around so much, both of them, that you got to be looking down, you got to look up. You almost have to memorize this piece. It's just the way to, but it's very repetitious, so it's really not that much to memorize. It's not like you got to memorize 4 lines. It's more like you got to memorize maybe 2 lines, because the rest of it's a repeat of those 2 lines, more or less. So it's not that hard to memorize. I question putting something like this at this level, but they did, so we'll deal with it. Now, let's talk about this one hand at a time. Going to start with the right hand. You see the notes with the LH, that indicates left hand, so we'll forget those for now. We're only right hand. It has a pickup beat, 2/8 notes, so it's 4/4 times, so we're starting on beat 4. It's like 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, like so. But then, and that's not staccato. And then the left hand plays, and then the right hand gets the next 2/8 notes. It's like, but in the last 2 measures of the first line, look out, because you started with the D, and then the left hand plays 2 notes, but then the right hand's got to go up and continue staccato. That's all right hand, and then you got to go back down. So the right hand is moving, so those last 2 measures in the right hand is here. 1, 2, 3. Like so. So that happens more and more, but if you can get this one, you can get the others. This whole piece continues this way. Is that if you... For the right hand. Not too bad, actually. You just move around a little bit. The left hand, good luck with that, because at the beginning you're starting out with the C, 3rd finger they want on the C. You'll notice they're saying 3rd finger for each of these. Look at the 3 measures there, and then 1, 3. I don't really care which finger you use, it's not important. You don't have to use 3rd finger. You can if you want. Maybe the 3rd finger is easier for you to aim. Otherwise, 2nd finger if you want. Or whichever. I don't care. You can use one of the weak fingers just for practice. Whatever. Because you got to cross over the right hand to get the 2 notes in the upper staff that are marked LH. And those are staccato. So it's here. That's not staccato, that first beat, but these are. So it's like so, kind of light. They're saying mezzo forte all the way across, but you can take a little license here, and you can play these a little softer. Maybe a mezzo piano, just whatever. It's up to you. It's experiment and see what you think. On the last measure of the first line there, left hand, keep that soft, because this is what we want to hear. So keep this soft. And the whole piece goes that way. If you can get that, you got it pretty much. Let's try this out super duper slow and see if we can get this. You learn it, you work on it, you get it to the point where you can do it super duper slow, and then try it with me. So I'm going to give us 3 counts. and good luck. Yeah. Right hand, left hand, depending on which finger you're going to use. 1, ready, and go, and.